Dang it, Michael. Why you keep giving me the wrong direction? Now I'm stuck in the woods thanks to his retarded butt again. I'm scared now though. It's getting dark. I might get attacked by bears, wolverines, coyotes, squirrels, or even TJ. Well, I'm a country boy. I need to move on. Because I gotta be ready for anything. Climbing this treacherous terrain. Ew, I'm muddy. You conquered your butt. I'm up now. Sweet, someone left a gun out here. Now, am I going to use this high-tech rifle that's actually a battery toy, or am I going to use the baseball bat? I'll take both. Alright, I'm ready. Nothing's going to conquer me out here in these woods. Nature. Wow.
Don't.
Cut it.